everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I want to talk to you about Mini Fuse Tester. It's a circuit tester for your fuse, and it's called a Fuse Buddy Tester. Comes with 3 adapters. You get your 3 different types of fuses. You've got your micro mini, your mini, and your ATO. The tester is right here. This piece is going to go into the fuse box itself, and you can adapt it this way, and then put a fuse in on the end. Put the fuse directly in there, whichever way it fits. Comes with directions, has an on and off button, and it's going to measure the amperage on that circuit. That way you can test for a short or a high draw. Comes with a battery. I've already installed it. If you need this tool or any other tool, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.